You remember the flame. Alright. Forget what I told you. Forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame. Alright.